Today we're hiking High Falls State Park, home to one of Georgia's most stunning waterfalls. It's the kids' first hike, and we got some fun facts to share along the way. Let's go.
Good morning! Good morning! Good morning! What a wonderful good morning. So as you can see, we got the family out at High Falls State Park here in Georgia. I got your hand, baby. And we decided to take the strenuous trail. I got it. By the river. Full of boulders in our path and rocks and lots of uneven ground. So we are taking it slow since it's us and the kids, but we hope that you enjoy what we see. You do have a stick. Look at the waterfall. You see all that water? Hold a stick too.
So we're here at High Falls, and Camille decided to pick the strenuous one, the strenuous trail, while we have the kids. Now, they're doing fine,
Okay.
but she's sitting there trying to talk or record, tripping over all these logs and whatnot, so I had to, you know, your boy had to come take the camera.
That's not true.
What'd you say?
That's not true.
It is true.
Whoa.
You doing awesome. You leading the way, bud. I know you doing good. You leading the way.
I crossed over the rocks.
Yeah, you did cross over the rocks.
What a peaceful way to spend this Saturday morning. I mean, it is a few families out here that we passed on the trail. We saw a lady who was 75 and she had her hiking stick and she got it done. So if she can do it, anybody can do it. Carson, what are we doing? We're going hiking.
So this trail is not that bad. Like they said it was strenuous, but I mean, we've been pretty much walking on a bunch of flat land. Carson is right there. I don't know what he's doing. He's just taking sticks, hitting the ground. I guess that's what kids do. They just hit the leaves. I don't remember doing that when I was a kid, but I probably did a whole bunch of stuff. Carson, which way do we go? Left or right?
This way.
Okay, yep, that's right. All right, we go. Okay, we go right. So I definitely asked Carson which way to go, right or left. He said right, and I started walking right, and then Camille was like, no, we got to go left. And I was like, oh, we about to walk right off this path. So, and I mean path, I looked over there, it's like right off a cliff. So I said, ooh. Shout out to Camille for the win because it was not about to be pretty. So we are at the sign where it says end of trail and private property beyond this point. And he wants to stop. Carson, can you go up to the top so we could get to the end point? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Averie, you gotta touch the sign to make it official.
Averie,
Carson, can you touch the sign?
let's touch it. We're gonna say we did it. Ready? We did it! So as you can see behind us, we made it to the end of the trail. Strenuous was a good definition of it. It's not bad, it's just uneven.
It's not strenuous. I would say it's moderate, but it's a bunch of rocks and stuff that you're trying to get up, but it's not that strenuous.
Yeah, so if you got issues with your balance or you're unsure of your footing, just be careful.
Well, if you got issues with your balance, then it's going to be strenuous.
Yeah, bring a walking stick. I'm gonna cut a quick shot to the kids so you can see they made it too. Guys, say hi.
So as you can see, they're just playing in the rocks and the sticks and the leaves and all the things.
And they're happy as can be.
Yeah.
But we're gonna make our way back to the playground, so we'll catch you guys in a little bit. Who's having fun hiking? Are you? Carson, are you having fun hiking? Yeah? You're holding Daddy's hand? Daddy, are you having fun?
Yes, I am.
What about you, Averie? You having fun hiking? Yeah.
So as we're walking back, guess who legs got tired and now needs to be carried? Back there, Averie legs got tired, so now Camille's carrying her. This is the same one that wanted to wake up at 1:30 in the morning this morning and come wake me up and her mom, and I couldn't go back to sleep, so I've been up since 1:30 with her. But she got to take a couple of naps while we're driving up here. And me, I'm tired, but I'm a warrior, so I'm gonna keep walking, but it's not fair. And then she gets to get valet treatment, it just ain't fair.
So guys, we just got done with this strenuous walk. The kids made it all the way out to the turnaround point. Carson made it all the way back. Averie did not. So next time we will be bringing the backpack carrier for her, just in case we run into a similar situation. So now we're going to go back to the car, rehydrate, and then go to the playground.
This concludes the kids' first hike of their lives. So Carson was really asking us and begging us to go on a hike since we took that minor one in Vegas. If you haven't seen that video, go check that one out. But it's his first hike. He enjoyed it. He loves it. So we're about to have a lot more hikes. So keep tuned. Thanks for watching. We appreciate all the support. and all the love y'all been giving us through emails and
Averie.
through the videos and the comments. So keep it up. We love it.
Come
and
on, let's go
like
get
and
a
subscribe,
drink.
share the video.
Averie,
and
Charlotte.
if you have any ideas for
Come on.
things for us to do, hikes to take,
We gotta go to the
places to
park.
visit.
You see, Daddy?
let us know and we'll get to it.